Hey friends, Dick here. It's summertime, absolutely beautiful. It's my motorcycle. Just want to teach you a couple things about tuning it up. Makes it go super fast and saves on gas. So we'll do a little Harley Davidson carburetor tune up, but most important, you got to get it running first. So we'll start this baby up and we'll get on. Okay, so here we go. Okay. And it's just that simple. So try that on your bike and see if it works. And I say just give her shit. And the other thing is make sure your garage door is open if you're going to have your vehicle running inside, because I'm feeling a little lightheaded. I gotta go. Thanks, friends. We'll see you soon.